what is one piece of advice that you would give a teacher, K-12 teacher, who is trying to make this shift to using the next generation science standards? What's one thing that you would tell them to look up, to go see, to do, action, or anything, any of the above?
Well, I think I would, again, I mentioned this early on, but I would tell them to start with the framework document that came out before the standards. Read that a couple of times and just keep it with them as they're going through the process of making this shift. And then as they have questions, again, go to the NSTA website, nsta.org, and look at the NGSS portal for all of the great resources that are there.
I would say exactly what Steve said, almost to the word, maybe with even. I think that absolutely you start with the framework and then you transition to all those great resources that NGSS has.
Okay.
And I would just add that recommend to be very deliberate about implementation and not just rushing in to try to do it really fast. I got emails last year before the standards were even out saying, my school is requiring us to implement, help. And yeah, we need to really carefully consider so we're not rushing to do something that's not actually aligned with the NGSS.
Mine would be to be patient. Ditto everything everyone else has said, first of all, but be patient and try some things and talk to others that are doing the same thing. I think that's so important because then you can help each other and succeed. So try them. Be patient. You know, if it doesn't work the first time, it's okay. You'll figure it out.
Yeah, it's interesting, the patience and sort of the long-term approach that you all are suggesting, and as we work with schools and schools ask us to work with them on literacy or project-based learning, you know, a lot of people want to do something very quickly. We as an organization hold it dear as a philosophy that change and great learning and teaching and learning takes time, and I think that's very much the case with next generation science standards. They're very, very deep.